Hello everyone, this is Group 33. Our main objective of this visualization is to support Hong Kong citizens to get necessary information before making their voting decisions for the 2020 Legislative Council election by showing information for each candidate and tell what is the difference between them. There are 3 parts in our project. In the first part, we show an overview. The second part is candidate analysis. We show 4 aspects to the voters of the election. First, geographical constituency according to candidates. Second, basic information of candidates. Third, candidate education analysis. And the last aspect, candidate social media analysis. The last part of our project is a vote analysis. In this part, voters can have an understanding of current voting results and historical voting records before giving their votes. So let's start with the overview. This picture shows the overview of the constituency of Hong Kong and the overview of candidates in which constituency, so that the general public can understand the distribution of candidates. By using these 3, a constituency map was drawn based on the map coordinates of the 5 constituencies in Hong Kong. Now let's come to the candidate analysis to part. Each constituency, this district map displays the classification of the candidates in that constituency into the 5 geographical constituencies by color difference. Also, there is a filter picker to let the user find the geographical constituency of each candidate. This visualization shows comparisons between age, sex, political affiliation, and political classification. Age is shown in different numbers of the graph. Orange represents female and blue represents male. Political classification is shown by shape. Candidate data can be filtered by geographical constituency. Citizens can easily get and compare information from this visualization. Next, let's come to education analysis. Hong Kong is a society which focuses a lot on education and qualifications. A lot of voters are interested in the education background of the candidates as they want someone who is knowledgeable to work at a place. There includes a stacked bar chart and a heated map displaying the number, types of post-secondary qualifications, and their respective study areas. So let's see some specific details. Filters are available so users can just focus reading on candidates in the same geographical constituency or political applications. The use of the stacked bar chart allows users to compare the number of qualifications different candidates have, and at the same time knowing the composition of qualifications at different degree levels. The use of a heated map not only allows the readers to compare which knowledge area that the candidates master or interested in, but also grabs who has the most qualification in a specific knowledge area as the heat dots are sized by the number of qualifications in the area. To know more about the qualification information of each candidate, voters can go to the education details. They may scroll through the dots on the categorical dot plot to know the degree name and offering institution. Presenting the data in this format allows voter judging the quantity and the quality of the qualifications the candidates have at the same time. They can also do easily comparisons between candidates. Now let's come to social media analysis. Currently, there is a lack of analytics on the candidates' habits on using social media in the public. However, it is believed voters may understand more about their candidates if they know how to use social media. Therefore, visualizations are made to let voters understand more about their candidates by observing their usage of Facebook and Instagram, which are most popular social medias in Hong Kong. A packed bubble graph is used to display the number of Facebook fans and followers. Such display can let voters catch attention to the candidate who is most popular on Facebook. They can know the popularity of different political beliefs candidates by group also. For example, pro-Beijing candidates have less popularity, or they focus less on social media or on online platform advertising. Next, a parallel coordinates graph is plotted to show the remaining statistics. The first reason is that it utilizes visualization space of multivariable dataset. The second reason is that we may compare the Facebook activities of different candidates. The two graphs together allow us to know more about the candidates. Next, voters may also want to know the most frequent and popular Facebook hashtags posted by the candidates. They can filter candidates by political parties and by geographical constituencies. Therefore, they can know more on the beliefs not only by the candidates, but also the political party that the candidate is at. Likely, this graph shows Facebook hashtags that get the most attention. A bubble graph is used to present the number of Instagram fans. The reason is the same as Facebook case. Next, a scatter plot of average posts like against average comment is plotted. The reason to plot a scatter plot is that voters may understand whether a candidate's posters tends to have more likes or more comments on a comparative basis. They can also see the popularity of these posters of different candidates with different political belief grouping. So let's give an example. Now let me introduce you the last part of our project, vote analysis. First, we make a virtual poll results and visualize it. This visualization shows current voting results of candidates, and the results are aggregated by political classification, which is one of the most important aspects that voters care about. In this graph, 2 pro-Democrats, 2 pro-Beijing, 1 localist, has the most votes in each of their geographical constituency currently. After seeing this data visualization, voters may be more stimulated to vote for their supporting political parties. This visualization shows current voting results in each geographical constituency. 5 geographical constituencies shown in different colors. The number of current ticket rates is shown on each candidate's square, and the sizes of the squares are visualized by ticket rates. Voters can have an understanding of current voting results before voting from this graph. This visualization shows candidates' historical election records from 2009 to 2019. Voters can get information of changes of number of votes in this period. The data can be filtered by the geographical constituency filter on the right. Some candidates have been elected to be legislative council members for several times. Thus, they may have rich experience in work. which is a crucial message for voters. This is all of our project. Thank you for watching the video.